This is version 2 of my 16-bit breadboard computer. I've upgraded it from breadboards because of connectivity and power distribution issues. I ended up designing my own PCBs on EasyEDA and ordered them in. They work quite well because they're just as modular as the breadboards, and with this here I can get much more connectivity and much less issues. It's running multiplication right now. It has 4 registers. This is the A register, and this is the B register, and the C register, and the D register. The A, B, and D registers are universal shift registers, and they allow me to perform, basic logical operations. The C register is a counting register. It's basically just 2 counting chips side by side in parallel. It makes it able to have a auxiliary counting register other than just the stack pointer, which is only an 8-bit counter and is pretty much designated for only the stack. This is the instruction decoder, the instruction register. It has 40 control pins, and it is a 4 microstep based instruction. This is the user input here. It has a hexadecimal input and a run and a reset. It uses an interrupt flag to basically address when it needs to add data. This is a number display. It has 2 chips, one for signed and the other for unsigned numbers. It will do the full 16-bit width. This is a number text display. I use a 15-segment display here to display the full alphabet and numbers. I have not written the program to write the words on this yet. This is the program counter. It is 16 by 16. It also has a hexadecimal display for ease of reading and troubleshooting. I also have a hexadecimal display on the main bus, again, so that way the person can see the data being transferred at the time, along with an LED display at the bottom for just basic binary. The clock is a 4 megahertz crystal with 3 parallel counters, so that way I can select the speed I'd like. The memory is 16 bits for data, and it has an 8-bit address. I have a 9th bit on there to use as the stack pointer, so it actually uses half of it for the stack pointer and the other half just for any direct addressing.